Welcome, dear travelers and photography enthusiasts, to this exciting journey through the charming city of Lisbon, Portugal. This ancient city, perched on 7 hills and bathed in the golden glow of the sun, is a paradise for photographers. From its cobblestone streets and colorful buildings to its iconic landmarks and stunning river views, every corner of Lisbon exudes a unique charm that begs to be captured through the lens. So get your cameras ready as we explore the top photo spots in Lisbon. Our first stop is the iconic Torre de Belém, a testament to Lisbon's rich maritime history. This fortified tower stands proudly at the mouth of the Tagus River, serving as a beacon for the brave explorers who set sail from Portugal during the Age of Discovery. Constructed in the early 16th century, Torre de Belém is a splendid example of Manueline architecture, a uniquely Portuguese style that blends Gothic and Renaissance influences with maritime motifs. The tower's elaborate facade is festooned with rope-like carvings, shields emblazoned with Portugal's coat of arms, and intricate stone sculptures of the patron saint of Lisbon, Saint Vincent. Venture inside, and you'll find a bastion with a vaulted artillery casemate, a governor's hall adorned with beautiful tilework, and a chapel dedicated to Saint Vincent. But the real treat awaits those who climb the narrow spiral staircase to the terrace. From this vantage point, you can capture awe-inspiring panoramic shots of the Tagus River, the 25 de Abril Bridge, and the surrounding cityscape. Just a stone's throw away from the tower, the riverside offers another fantastic photo spot. Here, the tower's reflection dances on the water's surface, creating a picturesque scene that's both captivating and serene. With its stunning architecture and breathtaking views, Torre de Belém is a photographer's dream. It's a place where history and beauty intertwine, offering countless opportunities for those looking to capture the essence of Lisbon through their lens. Next, we venture to the Grand Jerónimos Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. This monumental structure is more than just a building. It's a testament to Portugal's Age of Discovery. Commissioned by King Manuel I in the late 15th century, this monastery stands as a symbol of Portugal's power and wealth during that era. Its stunning architecture is an ode to the Manueline style, a Portuguese variant of late Gothic architecture, characterized by ornate and intricate detailing. The monastery's facade, with its elaborate sculptural details and maritime motifs, is a photographer's delight. Stepping inside, you are greeted by the monastery's main attraction, the Church of Santa Maria. Its awe-inspiring interior is embellished with high ceilings, decorated pillars, and beautiful stained glass windows. The church's nave, with its forest-like columns and vaulted ceilings, is a marvel to behold. But the true gem for photographers lies in the monastery's 2-story cloisters. With its beautifully carved arches and columns adorned with motifs of twisted ropes, sea monsters, and corals, the cloister offers endless opportunities for capturing stunning images. And let's not forget the chapter house, the final resting place of the famed explorer Vasco da Gama. The tomb, with its intricate stonework, is another must-capture spot within the monastery. The Jerónimos Monastery, with its historical significance and architectural grandeur, is a must-visit spot for every photographer. Now, we hop onto the famous Tram 28, a ride that's as picturesque as the city itself. Imagine embarking on a journey that feels like a time machine, taking you back to the heart of old Lisbon. This isn't just a tram ride, it's an adventure that zigzags through the city's most charming neighborhoods. From Praça to Estrela, each turn uncovers a new layer of Lisbon's vibrant history and culture. As we glide along the narrow, winding streets, we're treated to a kaleidoscope of pastel-colored buildings, ancient cathedrals, and lively markets. With each click of the camera, you're capturing a slice of Lisbon's soul, immortalizing its beauty in your photos. You might be wondering, when is the best time to hop on this scenic journey? Well, early morning or late evening rides offer a respite from the bustling crowds. These golden hours also bathe the city in a warm, ethereal light, perfect for those breathtaking shots. And don't forget, while it's tempting to focus on the stunning views outside, the tram itself is a quintessential part of Lisbon's charm. Its vintage design and unique character add a layer of authenticity to your photographs, making them stand out in your travel portfolio. Remember, patience is key. Wait for that perfect moment when the tram rounds a corner, revealing an enchanting vista. That's your cue to capture the magic. Tram 28 offers a unique perspective of Lisbon, making it a fantastic photo opportunity. We now find ourselves in the heart of Lisbon, the vibrant Alfama District. This is one of the oldest and most distinctive parts of the city, a place where you can truly feel the pulse of Lisbon's past and present. As we wander through the labyrinth of narrow streets, we're immersed in a rich tapestry of history. These streets have seen centuries of change, from the Moorish occupation to the Great Earthquake of 1755, and their resilience is a testament to the enduring spirit of Lisbon. Now let's take a moment to talk about the vibrant buildings that line these streets. Their lively colors, from sun-kissed yellow to deep ocean blue, breathe life into the old stones. The intricate tilework, or azulejos, adorning many facades, is a characteristic feature of Portuguese architecture and adds a touch of whimsy to the district. These elements make it a dream for photographers, as every corner unveils a new, captivating scene. To truly capture the essence of Alfama, head to the viewpoints from Portas do Sol. From here, you can get an unobstructed view of the district's terracotta rooftops, winding streets, and the sparkling Tagus River beyond. It's a sight that encapsulates Lisbon's charm in one frame. The Alfama District, with its narrow streets and vibrant buildings, is a treasure trove for photographers. Each step in this district is a journey through time, a dance of light and color, and a testament to the enduring beauty of Lisbon. We now stand in the majestic Praça do Comércio, one of Lisbon's largest squares. This grand open space, framed by lemon-tinged buildings and crowned by a statue of King José I, has been a pillar of Lisbon's urban landscape since the 18th century. Built on the site where the royal palace once stood before it was decimated by the Great Earthquake of 1755, the square has witnessed the city's rise from the ashes, its triumphs, and its heartaches. Its impressive arch, Arco da Rua Augusta, serves as a gateway to the bustling city beyond, a symbol of Lisbon's resilience. The architecture here is a testament to the city's rich and varied history. From the classical designs of the surrounding buildings to the intricate details of the statue and arch, every element tells a story. It's a photographer's dream, where every angle offers a new perspective, a fresh narrative thread to unravel. But if you really want to capture the essence of Praça do Comércio, come during sunset. As the sun dips below the horizon, the square is bathed in a golden glow, the shadows lengthen, and the city seems to slow down for a moment, as if caught in the magic of the twilight. It's a sight that truly takes your breath away. Praça do Comércio, with its historical significance and architectural beauty, promises stunning photographs. Finally, we arrive at the LX Factory, a hub for modern culture and arts. Nestled under the shadow of the iconic 25 de Abril Bridge, this former industrial complex has been transformed into a creative island in the heart of Lisbon. Imagine a place where creativity runs wild, where every corner bursts with vibrant street art, and every alleyway tells a story. That's the LX Factory for you. It's an ever-changing canvas for local artists, a living testament to Lisbon's thriving contemporary art scene. From larger-than-life murals to intricate graffiti, the street art here is a feast for the eyes and a treasure trove for photographers. But the LX Factory is more than just its street art. It's a melting pot of unique shops, eclectic boutiques, and innovative design studios. Every store here has its own character, its own charm. It's a place where old meets new, where traditional Portuguese craftsmanship intertwines with cutting-edge design. The atmosphere here is electrifying, buzzing with creative energy. It's a place where artists, locals, and tourists alike come together to celebrate the arts, to share ideas, and to inspire each other. It's a place that's alive, a place that's constantly evolving. And that's what makes the LX Factory such a favorite spot for contemporary photography. It's a place where you can capture the spirit of modern Lisbon, where you can document the city's transformation, where you can tell a story through your lens. The LX Factory, with its unique blend of old and new, offers endless photographic possibilities. And there you have it, the top photo spots in Lisbon. From the iconic Torre de Belém, the historical Jerónimos Monastery, the picturesque ride on Tram 28, the vibrant streets of Alfama District, the grand Praça do Comércio, to the contemporary LX Factory, each offering unique perspectives and stories waiting to be captured. Your lens, your narrative. Thank you for joining us on this photographic journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next adventure.